Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold has shown some unexpected moves again. Yesterday, when we were discussing about gold was somewhere around here. We discussed about selling around 2420, around the 200 moving average, as well as around 2430. Honestly, I was not expecting all the three market to hit all the three levels. Okay, and surprisingly, okay, when market fell, okay, market also came to our level of 2384, because we also discussed about selling below 2384, isn't it? So yes, I only had the sell limit around the 238 sell stop at 2384, and in the morning I saw that my sell stop was triggered. I was a little surprised because I was not expecting. In fact, with the people with whom, okay, I discussed about gold, they were also not expecting this fall on the chart of gold. Okay. Anyways, gold is gold. We can't help it. That's why I always say that gold is not for people who suffer from high blood pressure. And gold is always full of surprises. Now gold is trading around 2376. This is the current market price of gold. And if we look gold on the higher time frame, like 4 hours time frame, we can see that the structure of the market is really changing. But as we all know, that market sentiment is little neutral right now. This is just a technical move. Why? Because market is mostly waiting for tomorrow's data, PC data. So position traders, swing traders, you need to wait till tomorrow. Okay, because if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold drops as investors await key US data. Gold dropped to around 2370 per ounce on Thursday, hitting its lowest level in 2 weeks as investors turn cautious ahead of key US economic data releases that could offer insights into the Federal Reserve's potential rate cut timing. Okay, this is the ongoing market sentiment. So if you look at the daily chart of gold here, you can see on the daily chart, we can see some good correction right now, and correction is always important for any market so that it can go up again. Do not consider it as a complete trend reversal as of now, because we still do not have the backing of the fundamental factors that will bring gold towards the expected level of 222002150. Okay, so if you're a positional trader, swing trader, okay, and if you're still looking for a good position, you need to wait till Friday. Okay, after Friday you can look for a support. Okay. For example, after PC data, if you see that gold is bullish again, gold is going up, then you can go for a buy position again. And if you're already holding a buy on gold, and if you're in loss right now, if you want to exit, you can exit. You can again enter on buy above 2400. Listen to me carefully. If you're a positional trader, swing trader, and if you're stuck on a buy position right now, you don't want to hold it, because then you can exit right now. You can again go with a buy position once gold will be above 2400. Because the reason is, see, gold is fundamentally bullish, but we traders have a limited capital. So sometimes when market goes for drawdown also, we are unable to handle the drawdown, because of which we blow our capital. But in the long run, gold will be giving a profit because of the fundamentals. So right now, gold may be showing signs of correction. Gold may come to 2200 also. Okay. Suppose someone is having a buy on gold at 2480. Okay. If someone has a holding capacity, he can hold gold, because in the long run, not only he will get an exit, but he can exit with good profit. Okay, so if you do not want to hold right now, you can exit. You can again enter above 2400. And if you're looking for fresh position on gold as a positional trader or swing trader, you can enter above 2400 or after Friday. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities for the day. So today we can look for sell around 2384 today. You can see we have already drawn FIBO from the top to bottom here. And we have 2384 as the first level where we can look for a sell, especially before the US session. Why before the US session? Because this is the FIBO 0.236, not a very strong one, but before US session, we can definitely expect the market to face some resistance around this area. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. The second selling opportunity is around 2394 area because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, you can see the previous support will also be acting as resistance, and the third selling opportunity will be around 2400. Here, this is the level from where market fell. We will also be having the moving averages as the dynamic resistance. Plus 2400 is also a psychological level. So if we combine all the factors, okay, then 2400 or around 2400, we have the strongest sellers present. If market goes down, we can go for a sell. But 2400 is far away from the current market price. So for day trading purpose, we can look for immediate levels like 2394 and 2384 area. Okay, right now market is trading around 2375. And if you feel that Avila's 2384 is also little far away, I'm a risky trader, I want to be on trade all the time, then you need to consider FIBO from this particular point here. Okay, this is a risky one. Then we can look for sell around 2380. Personally, I do not recommend this. Okay, because already see market has given us plenty of opportunities. See, not all days are equal. Okay, sometimes we get one trading opportunity on a day, sometimes we get two, sometimes we do not get any opportunity, but sometimes we get 4 to 5 opportunities on a single day. So market is something that you need to deal very carefully. And we cannot forget that we are traders, not gamblers. You don't need to be on trade all the time. Okay, we are traders, so we should only trade when the opportunity is right. Okay, because I know I can understand that trading gives us adrenaline rush. Okay, but that doesn't mean that you get addicted to it. Yeah. So these are the trading opportunities. If market goes up, means considering the present trend of the market, as the market is under the dominance of sellers, we can look for a sell below it. Sorry, we can look for sell around these areas. But if market doesn't go for retracement, then what to do? In that case, we can look for a sell at breakdown. Here we can look for a sell below 2367. 2367 is the low made by the market. So during the day, if you see the market is not going up, market is not in a mood of going up, market is going down, in that case you can look for a sell below 2367. Do not expect much, 35 to 40 pips, because I had a sell at 2370. Yeah, I had a sell at 2370 in the morning. Okay, I had to exit at 25 pips. Okay, I was expecting till 66, but when I saw that market is showing price rejection from below, I exited. So this move was really unexpected. I was sleeping. I believe that most of you could not catch the move because it was at a pretty odd time. Okay, but if during the day, if you see the market, instead of going up, market is weak, market is going down, we can look for sell below it. If the selling pressure is very high, then you can continue with the sell position. But otherwise, you can exit around 35 to 40 pips. Okay, and where is the next big support? The next big support on the chart of gold is around 2350. You must be knowing 2350 was a very important level earlier also, because it was the support which will be working as resistance. Along with that, it's also a round number. Okay, and okay, you can see we also have this black line. Okay, this along with that, you can see we also have strong support around this area. So if something bad happens, we can have our fate on 2350. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a good bounce as a day trader. So these are the trading opportunities for the day right now. The first of all, 2384 as the first level. Not a very strong one, but before US session, we can expect some selling opportunity. 2394 and 2400. Out of these three, 2400 is the best level. Do not take sell position blindly. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. Okay. You cannot expect to trade on each and every level. Okay. You also need to think about your own money too. And secondly, if market doesn't go up, market comes down, we can look for we can look for sell around. Okay, we can look for a sell around below 2367 as a breakdown, and then we can look for a buy around 2350. Okay, if market shows heavy fall. Okay, If market takes up on a 235, it should at least it should go for temporary bar, so you can hit the buy button. Let's wait and watch. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.